and welcome to Beginner Padel. Today I have a very cool thing here that can help you practice at home if you're a beginner or intermediate player, and work on those volleys and even work on your ground stroke. So I'll show you that in a minute. So let's just play. This is really cool. And I can't believe how well this works. So this is actually a net for tennis. It's made for tennis, but you can also do different sports with it, pickleball and even table tennis. And you can practice on your strokes here. So what I like to do at this moment in time is I really want to practice my slices. So you can set this up so it really rebounds here. And then practice those slices. And you can even see how much the ball turns when you hit it. So that's pretty cool. And then what I also like to do is practice my volleys. To really move, step forward when I volley. So this thing is very sturdy and it was very easy to set up, just a few steps. It took me about 15 minutes or so. And then you also get like a bag with it where you can put it in. I'm not sure why there's a bag. I don't think you're going to take this with you to the court, but it's cool to set this up. Right now I've set this up in my living room, but I think I'm gonna move it outside or up to my attic maybe, so it's out of the way. And all this material is waterproof, so it should last a long time, even outside. And this thing feels pretty sturdy here. So that's nice. Now the cool thing here is you can set this little slide bar here up so you can have it a little easier and the ball bounces just a little higher. Or you can have it slanted just a little the way I had it set up before. And then it comes back at you pretty quickly. And you can also have it all the way flat like this. And then it will come at you like perhaps a volley right to your feet. So it's also good to practice that as well. So the way I'm practicing right now is with it just a little bit slanted. So it pops up just a little, enough for me to practice those volleys. Of course, you can do topspin, you can do backspin, practice your backhand, and really get into that ball. So if you're not able to go to the paddle courts a couple times a week, or you can't afford to, then this is a very easy solution. It's quite large, but if you have an attic, if you have a yard, you can put this in there and then just start practicing. So this is a real good tip for all you beginners out there. Now, if you have the space, you can also use this to practice your ground strokes as well. I don't really have a lot of space here, but I do in the attic or in the yard. So if you set it up there, just make sure you have a hard floor that it can bounce on. You can practice your ground strokes as well. And it will always come back. Well, if you hit it correctly, of course. So I'm really happy with this find, and I hope this video has helped you up your game as well. Hit like and hit subscribe.